finally, we have option to create more geometry using 3D tool, 3D text tool. So we have that 3D text tool in our toolbar here, as well as you can find under this tool under the tools, and below the dimension and text there is a 3D text. So it helps us to create a 3D text or 3D writing of our whatever we will write. And above that I want to discuss these two tools. Dimensions generally help us to annotate dimensions, and text to label that particular thing. But when we click the use the 3D text, it actually create the geometry there, and which will be quite helpful for us for annotation purpose. So let's click it. When we click it, there is a box come along with it, and here it is written, this is the area where we will write, and there is a font we can select, and we have option to make it regular or bold, its alignment. We can change its height, as well as we can select this and alternate these attributes here, manipulate these attributes here. So let's directly see like this, the generally what was provided here, and you can see we have created a 3D text. So you can see we have a geometry of that particular text that was written in the box, and it will be quite helpful for us while modeling to add some 3D layer or text layer on some more whatever we will gonna model. So let's try to make it for ourselves. So I want to write it here like SketchUp essentials tutorial. Okay, and I want to change the text with something more quite new. So let's try with something like this. You can see the text has been changed, and we have aligned it with left. We can also manipulate the height. If I want to make it 20 inch, and I'll keep this like this only, and extrude it with 1 inch, and I'll make it place, and you can see we have a 3D text layer of that particular font here. So we have our SketchUp essentials tutorials, and we have proper shapes here, you can see. So yeah, so this is the tool that was left to discuss, which help us to create a geometry which is be useful for us in upcoming modeling that we are gonna do in SketchUp. So try this tool by yourself, and this was the last tool that I was gonna discuss regarding to creating the proper geometry in SketchUp. So learn it, you get comfortable with it, and we will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.